I lecture is the first day of class for me is no lecturing. Why? Because this is an add and drop until Friday, correct? So the students might add and drop. We'll have a lot of students coming in, maybe this week. So maybe somebody will decide to go to other class. So therefore, it's you start the first day of the class. We'll start next Thursday, the coming Thursday. We'll start with the lecture. So, but the first day I'll go to the syllabus. I go to do all the iCollege uh, stuff there, and then I want you to be familiar with all the system there. So waiting for people to join. There's nobody is joining, but I'm recording here. So let me see if I can get some stuff. The stuff recording. Well, I need to have a whiteboard. See, they change. Lock to meet not enable. Wrap session. Share. Stop video. Okay, so someone is waiting view. So someone in the class. So invite. Okay. Okay, so I have one student already in. So I have only one student in. So see, Windows 11 is the system is not optimized for. Okay. So, but anyway, so we'll get this into this. We'll meet. Where is the whiteboard? I'm looking for the whiteboard. We can use the whiteboard to write on it. So share a new whiteboard, start a new whiteboard. Here it is. So because one student came in, now we have a whiteboard, and here we can do our lecture while I'm recording, correct? It says, yeah, I'm recording. Yeah, let me record the whole thing. Yeah, I'm recording. Yeah. So we'll when we meet in the lecture the coming Thursday, we'll be using this template. I'll use not the whiteboard here. I'll use the whiteboard there, and while I'm doing all the lecturing, the WebEx will record everything, and then I'll post it in the in the iCloud. So what we have to do today, we'll go through the. Let me go to the pen here. What color you like? I think white will be darker, or red maybe. We'll go through this. Oh, that's too thick. I need the thinner one. So let me see if I get the thinner one. Thinner one. Just bear with me. I need to get the thinner one, not the thicker one. See, Windows 11 is whenever they start a new window, we have a lot of issues inside. So this is thinner. Oh, okay, that's which is the thinner, this one or this one? That's thicker. Both of them the same thing. I don't see a difference. Can you see a difference between them? That's the top pen. Here it is. This right this way, and the bottom one supposed to write. I don't see any difference with them. Anyway, so we'll use whatever they have. So okay, so we'll go through the syllabus first. We'll go through the syllabus together. But before we go to the syllabus, we have to know how to manage and navigate iCollege. Everything will be online, the quizzes and the exams. The final exam is not my final exam. It's the departmental exam. So what will happen is the department, they have American Chemical Society exam, and that exam always a problem. The final exam is always the problem with the time. Too many questions in a short time, like 11:51, 60 questions in 55 minutes. So a question shy of 1 minute, shy, it's not complete 1 minute, less than 1 minute. And if you have calculation in 11:51, then a lot of students averaging very low in that exam. We have to curb it. We have to curb it. So this is the same way here. You have too many questions and the time is so short. It's not enough to finish all those questions in the designated time. So what we'll do, we'll have to curb it. I mean, we have no other choice. Are you following me here? So don't be, I mean, scared or whatever. So about the final exam. The final exam is 25% of your grade. Quizzes is a 15%. And we have exams, which is the lion's share of your grade, 50%. 50% is your exam worth. So let's go for the iCollege. And I hope it's recording iCollege. I'm not sure. When I put this one here, I hope it's recording this. I have no idea. I hope it does. Maybe I have to share it. Share. So I'm learning, because the old one was easy. I share as it does not make it. You have to share it. So share. I'm sharing iCollege, correct? Page, share. Yeah, now it's recording it. Now it's recording it. Now, what will happen here, as I said, we will go through this quizzes. It does not write. It does not allow me to write on it. So, well, as I said, I'm just trying to get all this done here. I mean, anyway, so the quizzes here and this sign here, quizzes, as you see, the first quiz you have to take is the no-show quiz. The no-show quiz is it's not a quiz per se. It's a confirmation that you have read and you have really understood all items in the syllabus. It's like it's a legal issue between you and the university if something happened in the future or whatever. It's this liability stuff. Everybody knows what liability is. So if there's a legal issue, then the university will say you have taken the quiz, you have confirmed that you have understood all the items in the syllabus. And if I will say I want to take this quiz, it's not a quiz. You will see it. I'm taking it now. Start the quiz, as you can see there. So I'm starting the quiz. So start the quiz here. So you can read all the stuff here and then just confirm I agree. When you put an agree and you submit, that's what the liability is. So you know all the items in the syllabus and you are responsible for all the items in the syllabus. That's not my mandate. That's the mandate. This mandate came from the university. So just for any legal issue. So submit the quiz. So you get 100%. That's not part of your grade, 100%. But iCollege design, whenever you put a quiz, you have to assign a grade. It will not allow it to be a quiz without grade. So 100% for me means you have taken this quiz, this confirmation, you agreed on whatever in the iCollege. As I said, don't worry about all this. This is just stuff the university, you know what I mean? It's just about legal stuff. So, but anyway, but we have to be careful about this to protect ourselves and our university. That's all about, correct? So then you confirm the quiz and you have taken the quiz. So it's a confirmation, but your physical attendance for the 2 weeks is very important. You have to be in attendance and the attendance sheet is there. Please sign in. Please sign in. When you come, please sign in attendance sheet. The attendance sheet is for 2 weeks. If you don't sign in my class or any other classes you are taking, what will happen? will happen, you will be deleted for one class. It will be sent to the financial aid. The financial aid will then say to the registrar, delete that student from all the classes for the semester. Now, there's two items. The financial aid, if you get money from the financial aid, will require you to return this money back. Second item, if you don't get the money, you want to come back again to be reinstated, take the class again, you might not be able to because it's already filled by other people, kicked out and then came in. Same situation in your situation, they are in the same situation. So make sure that you have to be in attendance in all your classes, 4 classes, 5 classes, and if the instructor have forgotten to put attendance sheet, remind us instructor, because we have to submit to the financial aid office names. Students are not in attendance in 2 weeks, the first 2 weeks. It's very important to sign in. The attendance sheet in the back for the first 2 weeks, guys, in all your classes, not in my class. That's not from me. That's from financial aid, and that's not financial aid. Financial aid is coming from federal program from Washington D.C. They are mandating you have to be in attendance within first 2 weeks. If you fail to be in attendance in 2 weeks, then that's a big problem. You are looking for somebody? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I want you to, if you have not signed in, please go ahead and sign in. Yeah, I have no other choice. I have to submit the names are not in attendance, and then your name will be deleted. And the financial aid will come like crazy after you bring the money back you have taken from them. It's a federal money. And then if you decided to come back the class, they will tell you no, there's no spot for you because it's taken by other students. They were kicked out the same situation. They changed their schedule hours, and they want to be in the campus you were in the class you were in. So save yourself all this headache, and just sign in for 2 weeks. Now, attendance is very important, but I don't have a policy to tell you have to come. It's up to you. But whoever is coming, that student is scoring very high in the final exam. Whoever is not coming, that students, I can guarantee you all the time, scoring very, very low in the final exam. Because final exam is not my final exam. I have no control on it. It's a departmental one. All 5 campuses, they use final exam. So I have no control on this. And they want to be a standardized exam because the university wants to use those data for accreditation purposes. People after 10 years, I'm 27, survived 2 accreditation processes, the Cobb College, then Perimeter College, and now we will have in a couple of years, about 3 to 4 years, I think, another accreditation. People coming from outside to check even the lights, the plumbing in the bathroom. They check everything. The fountain outside, they check everything. And beside the content, they check everything that we are really adhering to the standard and the requirements mandated by federal laws and state laws. So, and that's very important to have this final exam, and you have to attend the final exam. If you don't attend the final exam, all your work will be zero. You get zero on because the final exam is required by the university, not by us. They need data to collect data, so they need data. So final exam is a must, and final exam will be on campus. The final exam will be on campus. Okay, the final exam will be on campus, not here, not online. But all the other quizzes and exams, will be online. Are you following me here? So we'll have, this is the no-show first one. The quizzes We'll have, as you can see here, they are there. I will turn them on. We have 4 quizzes and 4 exams. The exams, they have the most important share of your grades, 50%. The quiz is 15%, correct? And the final exam, 25%. All those are online except the final exam has to be taken on campus. You cannot get it online. You have to be in attendance with in class for the final exam. Now, 10% left. We did not talk about this. 10% we have, in the 10% we have online assignment. Online assignment, we have a Chem 101 assignment, correct? So this is the cheapest assignment portal or assignment company. So Pearson, they have a Timberlake. They charge a lot of money for that. And this is about $35. Okay, this one is for $35. Whoever was in 1151, so you can use it for 1151, 1152, and I think for 1 year or so you can double check. They might have changed that. So the link is here. You go in with the link, register your name with the real GSU name and all credential, your email, not Gmail or something. Everything has to be official email, GSU name, as you have registered. So then that's open from first day of class, from yesterday 25th. Today is the 26th. So from the 25th until the last day of the class is open. Please do not come until after the final and you want to do those online questions. Those worth 10%, and most of the students are scoring 100% or 99, 95%. Somebody will tell me why their students are scoring very high. Why? Somebody will tell me why. Because I put the attempts to 10, to maximum attempts. The idea is not to get the students in problems. No, the idea is you keep doing it. It takes small, tiny fraction. Even if you get it mistake, I don't know how much it takes. But at the end, when you do all those chapters, you'll end up 99, 95, 100%. The idea is to online assignment. I'm using it different from other instructors. I'm using to the students to review for the quizzes and the exams. Before you are taking any quiz online or exam online, okay, you have to be ready with the material. So how can we ready with this material? Read and do those, redo those online assignments, redo them until you get them correct. 10 attempts. After 10 attempts, you reach your maximum attempts. You cannot get the 11th or 12th attempt. That's the highest you can go. Are you following me here, everybody? Any question? Any question about this? That will keep the chance to get good grades on the quizzes and the exams, because at least you are exposed to those questions. So all the information is there, and it's about $35. When you go in and if you the prices sometimes increase. I started a couple of years ago, it was about $25, but that's a long time ago. But with the inflation, the price is, but still is very cheap compared with the other companies. Other companies are charging $120, $150 for that. So that's too much. So those are the questions here for 1152, and I use it even for higher chemistry classes, which is very cheap and very good. Any question about this? Any question? So if you click on the link here, registration for Chem 101, you click on it, and then you see I have an account. So I can put my account here. I put my real GSU email, real email. The password, it has not to be the GSU password. Are you following me here? The password has not to be the GSU password. You can do it your own password to protect yourself, because we are using outside portal, somebody else portal. We are not using the same servers as the GSU server. So therefore I have different. So here it is. I hope it will allow me. I will save it because we will be coming back and forth. And then I already entered all my credentials there. And I will launch the app, launch active. So now that's how does it look like. And then you can't see nothing. The students they come and say, I can't see no assignment there. Well, you go for HW. HW stands for what? HW? Homework, correct. That's correct. We are not taking any quiz there. All quizzes and exams are in iCollege, correct? We're not practicing. We're not taking in class. We are taking HW. When I click on HW here, in your case, that will give me 12, 11, whatever this higher chemistry. But we are interested in 1152, section 10. Section 110, that's the second one. That's yours. Now, all the chapters, you can see them here. They are, but they handle them from the, as you can see them here. And you can see them here in the left side. If you just put them here, they are here as well. So here and here. So all the chapters from 10, 10, 11 together combined, 12, 13, 14, 15, until I will take, by the way, I did not publish the I will take the until 21, yeah, until 21, 22, but 22 will not take. Our chapters is up to the 21 chapter. I might just revise this one here. I did not publish it. I stopped on the 20. Okay, I stopped on the 20. I did not publish the other ones. But we will cover 21 chapters. Will not cover the metabolism. We checked with downtown faculty there, and they have the same idea. Metabolism is more or less is biochemistry, which is we are not covering biochemistry. We are covering just the chemistry, the organic chemistry. But anyway, so those are the chapters here, correct? And this is worth 10%, and you can redo for 10 attempts until you get the answer correct. Now, everybody's listening. I'm challenging every one of you here. The quizzes and the exams are open book. Can I repeat this one again, please? I'll repeat again. Quizzes and exams are online, open book. You can bring the whole library here, put all the books there. However, that's the point here. Everything in the quiz is timed, correct? The questions are timed. If you don't read, if you have not taken the online assignment, studied the questions there for 10 attempts, will not help you even if it's an open book. Students, they open book is easy. That's not true. I remember we took in a master's year and PhD program open books. All of us candidates, we like it to have it in class. Open book is headache. Why? You have to know what you are dealing with. So you will have all the papers there. You'll spend time, one page here. Wow, that's not here. Where is it? It's here. So by the time you are looking for lost information, whatever is hidden information, time is ticking out. And our college will kick you out. If the time is up, the time is up. You cannot come in. Are you following me here? And don't come please with me to excuse, oh, at that time my light, Georgia Power cut my electricity. I have no power. I'll tell you, no, that will not work with me. Do your job for the next quiz or the next exam. Whatever grade in the next exam you get, I'll give you for the missed one. I want you to do your job, but I'm not preventing you from the grade. But if you do very good in the third one or the second one, I'll give the second one and the first one the same grade. So don't come to excuse that. I have a lot of those excuses laughing to look to my wife and say, look at this. Every time Georgia Power just in that area is out, there's this blackout in that area. That's very funny. But my response to you will be work hard for the next quiz. Whatever grade on that quiz you will get, I'll replace your zero quiz or whatever low grade you got because you are pumped out because of the outage of electricity or whatever. So don't come with excuses. Be honest with yourself. Okay? I will tell you you have to earn your grade. I will help you. I will help you a lot. So now we have beside this a good thing here. Of course, I'm not posting this one in my channel YouTube. Just this one is just see how we are working with this Windows 11 here. A big headache. So where is iCollege here? That's iCollege. So we have extra credit for this. Like extra credit, yes. So we have extra credit here. If you go to the assignment here, that extra credit has an idea behind them. I'm forcing every student to read the chapters, to read the material. So if you want to improve your grade, you can submit a one-page summary of each chapter for 5 points. So you have how many? From 10 to 21. Those are 11, correct? Are they 11? Yeah, 11 chapters, I think. 11 multiplied by 5, you have 55 points. How many? You will have 55 points. Will be added to the exams. The exams, they have 50% of your grade. That's the big chunk of the grade in the exam. So I add this 55 points, like half of an exam for free. But you are forced to read the chapter. That's the whole my idea. And believe it or not, I was honored to give a talk a couple of days ago, last week, in front of the dean and in front of the whole thing. Me and the other professor, Manuela, we got our students the lowest in years, DWF students. We are the lowest among all the faculty to get DWF, very low among the students. And they told me to come up with presentation. One of my presentation is I'm forcing the student to read in a very nice way. Are you following me here? Give the students extra credit, they will read the content and they come up with a summary. Now, make sure that when you write a summary one page, there's a big brother watching here. What it says here, somebody can see it? Turn it in. Turnitin program is a software that will come and look after copyright stuff. If you copy from somebody else as is, they will tell you that's will count against you. How many percentage you have copied from somebody else work. So what I will say, can I use somebody else's work? Yes. As is, no. You can rephrase somebody's idea, somebody's concept, rephrase it in your own words. Then it's yours. Are you following me here? The software will not charge you any percentage for that. If you rephrase, this concept is there, the chapter is there, and the chapter from our ebook is there, but you rephrase it in your own words. So the software recognize this and tell you this is 0% cheating, 0% stealing, digital stealing. But if you copy it as is in the summary in the page, will tell me how much percentage you have stolen digitally from the work of somebody else. And believe it or not, it's very funny, I will say. Students from this semester, for example, they will go for the previous couple of semesters 2 years ago and copied all the and just upload the whole thing there as extra credit. The software is telling me it's coming from the same source, the same date, the same everything. I told the student, come to my office, look what it says. The students were very, very, embarrassed. I'm telling you. So don't embarrass yourself. Just rephrase. You can use even your friend from 2-3 years. You can use it, but you cannot use it as is. Upload it as is, and you get points for that. No, software will tell me how much you have taken from what source you have taken. So, and then I'll tell you, I'll give you 0. I can't give you 5 points for this summary. So that's about 55 points will be added into the exam. Any questions so far? I talked too much. Yes. Which exam? No, we have 5 exams here. The syllabus, I'll go through the syllabus in a minute. We have 5 exams. The extra points go to the 5 exams? Yes, we'll add it to the 5 exam. Where are this? Syllabus, open PDF. That was a Word or PDF. Okay, that's the syllabus here. Okay, that's the syllabus here. And let me view just one page. Every time you start a new window, then you have a lot of headaches. So view one page. I want to see one page only. Let's take this one out. Anytime you start a new window, then you have a lot of. So this is the syllabus here, all the information about the class, my office hours, the physical office hours in my office. I'll be here, my office. But as I said, Friday by appointment, Monday, Wednesday from 1 to 2, I'm in my office. So all those the physical. But as I said, a lot of students like to be to meet with me in WebEx, one-on-one, and that will give them more freedom to talk to me, and we can discuss any question they might have. Correct? So we have. I'm not reading all this. You can read of everything here. So, but you can read it, understand the whole thing. If you have any question about this, email me with iCollege, or we can meet in WebEx, and I can explain to you this one-on-one what this is all about. The main thing is students are interested in the percentage. Here's the percentage, the grade percentage. Quizzes, 4 quizzes, 15% exam, 4 exams, 50%. That's 15% the quizzes, and 50 is the exams. Assignment online 10%. The final exam is 25%. The final exam is broken in 2 parts. Part 1 and part 2 will take in the midterm, the part 1 for organic, and then we'll take part 2 for the biochemistry. Okay, so that's the syllabus will cover up to chapter. Those are the chapters here up to chapter 21 with the exam. So what will happen is I will open the quiz and the exam at the same time. When I open them at the same time, you have to take the quiz and study it and print it out, because the exams are 50% of your grade. That's a big chunk of share here of the grade. So you have to look the quizzes a mirror image, whatever will come in the exams. Study the exams very well, because it's whatever in this quiz will come in the exam in a sort of different wording, different stuff. But very important, the quizzes, don't jump to the exams. First the quiz, take the quiz, and then study the quiz. And if you need a tutoring one-on-one, I'll be more happy to set up a time that suits you, suits me, and then we can go through whatever the quiz the whatever mistakes you make in the quiz. I'll be more than happy to do that. And then you are ready to take what? To take the exam. Don't rush to take the exam. The exams are 50% of your grade. So give yourself time. Give yourself what? Give yourself time to do better in the exam. Quizzes are 15%. And before the quizzes, you have to take what? You have to take the 10% your online assignment. This is very important. Those will help you to understand the concept after reading. Now we have the book. We don't buy any book. The book is free. The book is I think at the top. It's not. I'll show you the link. Hold on. Those, as I said, we are very pleased that we have published, me and other four. We are five. We are five faculty working on ebooks, 4 ebooks. We get over $80,000 to the 5 years we have been working on those ebooks free, and to even it was a surprise for even the other faculty. Our students were scoring the same in the final exam. The final exam is the final comparison between the level of understanding of the content. So we use the final exam in all campuses, even including downtown. The final exam is taken by the administration to use it against accreditation issue or anything. So they have to compare our average to the national average. The whole national average has to be compared to our average in survey of chemistry 1, 2, principal. All these classes, they have to have an average compared to the national average. So, and our students are using our ebook, and they came the same like other students who are using Timberlake. Timberlake hardcover is over $200, 250 something. Our ebook is for free. We get the money from the grants, from the state grants, and we published 4 ebooks, and the ebook is I think I have it here somewhere. I hope I have it here. If it's not, I put it in a link by itself. Here it is. Website is here. Can you see the website? That's our ebook. And I'm very pleased when I go for assignment that I have published with the others. I'm not claiming that I'm the best, but I'm the leading person because of age. I'm here 27th year, so I came here with the black hair. Now, so you can see all of it gray. And we have the ebooks. We got a lot of money. Now, don't ask me. I'm very rich. No, the money went to the pocket of the university. Most of the money went to them. So, but that's the part of the agreement. For me, I don't care about the money. I care that this will be in the archive of the university, and that's an honor to have as a leading person there to have those ebooks, 4 ebooks. So this is the first one for survey 1, survey 2. So if you click on this control, and you have to use control, your finger on control and point. So that will open in a new, see control. I have to keep your finger on control until it's, this say chair. I don't know why it's telling sharing.
It's because you're sharing your screen.
Screen, okay. Well, it's coming. It's very slow. Windows 11 at the beginning of it, so it's a lot of software might not. So that's 11:51, 11:52, and I was flattering myself. You heard that? You heard that? I was flattering myself, and here I am in the website too. So leading person there, too old. Somebody can guess my age? Somebody? How old am I? What's that? 65? Oh, I'm very humble. Other number? I'm over 70. My oldest son over 40. I have kids in their 40s. Yeah, I'm over 70. My wife told me quit. I said no. I need to get this. The 30 makes me happy. So the 27 is not making me happy. My wife does not like it. Quit. Said well, three years I sustained 27 of pressure, 27 years of pressure. So how about 3 years? So to make it 30, that's very nice. But anyway, yeah, I'm over 70, guys, and my older son is over 40. So I have kids 40s, late 30s, 38, 39. So you can tell. So that's 1151 and 1152. If you click on 1151, that's all the chapters are here. Of course, your class is 11 what? 50 what? 2, correct? You go back, just show you here. That's your class, 1152. And all the chapters are here. We'll stop. We'll not take all of them. We'll stop on the 21st. 21st chapter we'll cover. So as much as we can. That's about 11 chapters. That's doable. The other ones are biochemistry, and it has a biochemistry, metabolism, and all that stuff. But the students will not need. You'll not need it. I mean, if you go higher for biochemistry, then or you want to specialize in biochemistry. So that's the book. You don't have to buy a book. Don't buy. Somebody has had Timberlake. Somebody bought Timberlake. No one. Good. Don't buy Timberlake. That's the hardcover in the bookstore. They are not happy with us. 5 professors. They are not happy with us. Said we are breaking their profits because now students are using our ebook. Even the other classes, other professors now. When I met with them last week, they were very with our grades. We generated a very low. I generated a very low grade DWF using my ebook. And there's some other professors that are using that $250 plus hard copy cover. My students, I mean, they have the same grade as theirs, so there's no difference. You can see no difference. So a lot of students are using from outside, and we were very surprised to see in the background there's a lot of European university students are using it. We were very surprised. I mean, I was stunned. I mean, I was shocked. They have the same problem with the textbooks too. The textbooks very expensive. The students are going for googling around cheaper or free ebooks, and they found us. And there in the background, you can tell who is clicking from where. From the HTTP will tell you the person is clicking and from where, what country. So those are the chapters, guys. You don't have to buy a book. The link is in the syllabus, and there is a link in the folder itself. If I click here, if I click on the course home, that bring me course home, then all your information, PowerPoints, all the stuff you need, they are here at the bottom. Look at this, guys. Here it is. Here it is. This area here, the folder area, they call it content browser. They call it whatever. They call it home sometimes. But this is the area where you can find. We'll put our videos there. Whenever we finish the WebEx recording, we'll put our videos there. I hope it's working. So I'll try to put, but that's in the. I'll not put it in the channel here. So that's all the area here. So give me a couple minutes and I will quit. I talk too much, so I apologize. So here it is, the WebEx here, and this is here my YouTube. here where I'll post in not in my channel. I'll post it on the iCollege. Then I'll take it to my channel here. And my channel is mostly uh, videos and activities. I did not tell you that we have. I'm working. I'm one of the advisors of chemistry clubs. Chemistry club. The main advisor for it and the president of it is the Professor Dr. Luis Strange, and I'm one of the advisor as well. I'm busy because of the books. I have no time to be with them, but I'm sending you guys to get to earn 10 points. If you are in attendance, she takes attendance, you get 10 points. If you can attend, you can write about this activity, whatever the activity of this extra credit, and you earn 5 points for the summary written page, 1 page. But if you attend, you get 10 points, and you can see the students are really enjoying it. And if you go for shorts or videos, you can see it's a lot of. Those are the lectures here, all lectures through the years. You can see and the activities we have. Mostly is scientific. There's nothing else inside my channel. It's all about classes, lectures, all the stuff you can see here. You can revisit, and therefore you will find the whatever we are lecturing here. I'll put it on my YouTube channel. So, any other question? Now I open any other question you have. Any other question? Any other question? So we'll have a lot of chemistry activities. Those were each one attendance 10 points. If you can't attend, you can still write a summary 1 page to get 5 points. So you end up like having 1 grade exam. So for free, get 100 points if you add those all activities, you come up to 100 points. That's 1 exam worth. Any question? If you don't, I'm not holding you here as a hostages here. No hostages here. So feel free to go. I'll meet you Thursday. We'll start lecturing. Okay, guys? We don't have any questions. Yes, yes. Oh, you're on Decca? Okay. Good. No, not yet. When? I don't see any email.
I think it was Monday. Yesterday was someone.
Email? Through the iCollege or through the school?
I think
Email.
The school email.
Could you send it? You have the letter? Could you scan it and send it to you to iCollege?
I could try, but like it's not. I just pressed what they told me to send, and they were gonna send it to you guys. All my professor received it, but I don't know.
Okay, I will see. If it's not, remind me, email me, Dr. Kaya, look at this. If it's not, I will ask them to bring it to me. Yeah, but remind me, send me an email so I can tell them. Okay? Yeah, no problem.
Okay, thank
Yeah.
you. Questions.
Yes.
Do I have to ask permission to do it first, or can I just do it over time?
No, the extra credit you can do it starting now. So I mean,
You can do it starting now.
yeah, it's over. Yeah, it's open.